In this video we will build a Power Automate flow that automatically fills in a Word document whenever a new item is created in a SharePoint list, converts that document to a PDF, saves the PDF into SharePoint, and sends it by email as a proper attachment that opens without errors. In this example we use a SharePoint list called Automation List with columns for description, priority, and department. The Word template itself is stored separately in the Shared Documents library, organized into 3 folders: Word template copy, and PDF template. No premium license and no API calls are needed for this flow. Now let's get started. Step 1. Set up the Shared Documents library and the Word template. Go to your SharePoint site and open the Shared Documents library. Click on Add Columns and create 3 columns there: Description, Priority, and Department. Upload your Word template file into the Word template folder. Step 2. Insert quick parts into the Word document. Open the file from the Word template folder using Open in App, not a downloaded copy. Then in Word click Insert, Quick Parts, Document Property, and select Description, Priority or Department wherever you want that value to appear in the text. This inserts a live field, as shown on screen, rather than plain typed text. Step 3. Create the flow and set the trigger. Go to Power Automate, click Create, then Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, search for trigger when an item is created and click Create. Select the SharePoint site and the automation list as the source in the trigger at the flow editor. Step 4. Copy the Word template. Add a copy file action from the SharePoint connector. Select the site, and for the file to copy, browse to the Word template folder and select your template. Set the destination folder to Word template copy. You cannot set a new file name in this action, so under If another file already exists, select Replace, so the copy always lands in the Word template copy folder using the same file name. Step 5. Update the file properties. Add an Update File Properties action from the SharePoint connector. Select the site and the Shared Documents library. Use the item ID from the copy file step to identify the file sitting in the Word template copy folder. Then map description, priority, and department from the trigger to the matching columns, so the quick parts fields in that copy update with the correct information. Step 6. Get the content of the updated file. Add a Get File Content action from the SharePoint connector. Select the same site, and for the file identifier use the ID value from the copy file step, as shown on screen. This pulls the file from the Word template copy folder so it can be moved into OneDrive for the next step. Step 7. Save the file into OneDrive. Add a Create File action from the OneDrive for Business connector. Choose a folder in your OneDrive, give the file a unique name ending in .docx based on the item ID from the trigger, and use the file content from the previous step. This step is needed because the free conversion action only works on files stored in OneDrive. Step 8. Convert the file to PDF. Add a Convert File action from the OneDrive for Business connector. Select the file that was just created and choose PDF as the target format. This action is completely free and does not require any premium license. Step 9. Save the PDF into SharePoint. Add a Create File action from the SharePoint connector. Select the site and set the destination folder to PDF template. Use the file content from the Convert File step and give it a unique name ending in .pdf based on the item ID, so every submission's PDF is kept separately in the PDF template folder. Step 10. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner of Power Automate. Then go to your automation list and create a new item, filling in the description, priority, and department fields. Go back to your flow and open Run History to see the new run appear. In this example, we built a flow that fills in a Word document when a new SharePoint list item is created, converts it to a proper PDF, saves that PDF into the PDF template folder in SharePoint, and emails it as a working attachment, all without any premium license. If this helped you out, give the video a like, drop a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.